as a stay-at-home mom, it is vital for me to have areas in my house that are conducive to my child and her learning and her activity. And when we decided that we would make over this wall, I definitely wanted to focus in on our family. I wanted it to be an area that, yes, we could decorate and look pretty, but I wanted it to be an area that I wasn't going to freak out if it got a little messy. So we decided that we would do a little something different, and that was incorporating this old mantle that I distressed, and we put in a chalkboard. So the perfect medium for your kid, if you're going to let your kid be unsupervised in the house with art supplies, is chalk. You know why? Because yes, it is dusty, but it cleans up in a snap. I'm talking a wet wipe and you are done. So definitely let your kid be creative. It's important for them to be able to learn and not sit in front of the TV all day. So get out some chalk, buy it from the dollar store if you have to, and do something like this. It doesn't have to be this extreme, although we can take that out in no time at all. I understand putting a mantle in your house with a chalkboard isn't for everybody, but it was a great option for us. Tip number 2, incorporate texture into your home. I think this is a great design trick for anyone, but when you have a kid, things that are very sensory are very, very important. So one simple example I have is this throw pillow. So if you followed my blog for any time at all, you've already seen these. They are just from good old Hobby Lobby, but the cool thing about these is they are just covers. So I just have an idea insert in here, but I can throw this into the wash. So if she spills grape juice, which I'll give her grape juice anyway, I don't have to worry. I can just throw it into the wash machine and it's done. So that is a great hack for anybody, but especially anyone with kids or pets. Next, inspire learning, inspire curiosity. So I love to plant and I love to garden, and whenever it's summer or spring out, you will always see me outside. So if my daughter's napping, I have the monitor on. If she's awake, we are outside. We have our sunscreen in place, our hats on, and we are ready to go. But after the winter that we have not been outside at all. So it was pretty important that I brought the inside or the outside in. So in comes a snake plant. Now, snake plants are literally indestructible. So this is just a prime example of allowing your kid to be curious and allowing them to learn. So the responsibility of a plant, although a super easy plant, is that she helps me. So whenever it comes time to water, which is not very often with a snake plant, she's there helping me. And she learns and knows, hey Mom, I know how to do this. And at 2.5, that's pretty great. So giving your kid responsibilities, bringing the outdoors in, and definitely incorporating texture into your home, or places that are super kid friendly. Those are my quick tips today, and I hope that this encourages you to find different ways to encourage your kids to live in your home and for you to be okay with that. You guys, for more inspiration, check out MidwestSouthern.com. or be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel.